Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to set up two-factor authentication on Podia. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in podia.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Podia if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the site, blog, products, community, email, audience, sales, and we have your profile and your messages. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up two-factor authentication on Podia. So click on your profile icon in the top right corner, which is here as you can see, and then select settings from the drop down menu, or of course go to account, and here you have the security. So when you go to security, we have one verified sessions. We have sessions here. You have to, of course, go in there and set up the two-factor authentication. You'll be prompted to choose a method for the two-factor authentication, such as using an authenticator app or receiving codes via email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, you'll need to enter a code from your chosen method in addition to your password when logging in. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.